Okay, let's start facing the right in an overhand cap. And then I want you to come and turn to the left into an underhand cap. And then at the bottom, you're going to turn to the right. So we're just swiveling 180 degrees. We're cutting it down from a 360. And you're back in overhand here on the right. And now at the top of the turn, swing around all the way up to the top and then come down and underhand cap on the left. And then from the bottom, you're going to swing all the way around to the bottom and anti-spin up in the overhand cap. And from the top, swing around to the top and down. And from the bottom, swing around to the bottom and back up. And from the top, swing around to the top, anti-spin down. From the bottom, swing around to the bottom and anti-spin up into the overhand cap. And we're going to do a left turn 360, back to the overhand cap. And then swing around from the top to the other side into underhand. And from this underhand cap, we're going to do a right hand turn 360, back into the underhand cap. Now we're going to turn to the left, coming all the way around back to underhand cap. And then we're going to turn to the right, all the way around back to underhand cap. And then we're going to come from the bottom just 180 degrees to the left. Let's start an underhand here. You'll be underhand here. And let's turn left 180 degrees, coming to overhand. And then from here, at the top, turn right into underhand. And from here, at the bottom, you're going to turn to the bottom, anti-spin up. And then turn from the top to the top and anti-spin down. And 180 one more time back to overhand. And now do a left turn and back to overhand. And we'll do a right turn back to overhand. And we're going to swivel to the right, coming out an underhand cap. And then swivel to the left into overhand cap. Switch your feet. Swivel to the left to underhand cap. And step your right foot forward. And swivel again. Step your right foot forward and swivel again. Leave your left foot forward. Come over the top to the right side. Swivel to the right. Then you step your left foot forward. And at the top of the turn, swivel to the right again. And you're back in underhand. So you did a 360. A different kind of 360. We'll do it again. So from underhand, come over the top, all the way around to the bottom. And then you're going to anti-spin up as you step your left foot forward. And then from the top, come all the way around up to the top and back down. So from the bottom, we're going to go all the way around to the bottom, back up to the top, step the feet as you go. So left is in front before you turn. And when your hands are at the top, swing around to the right, come out in underhand. Now we'll turn to the left. Right foot is forward. At the bottom of the turn, come all the way around into overhand and switch your feet so your right is in front. Then at the top of the turn, come all the way around into underhand, turning left, and you're back to where you started.